open.
Hey, look, Sice, what you got?
We got this airplane. I'm gonna pump it up.
Okay, show us how to pump it up. What are you going to do there?
Put this in.
Okay, he hooking up there the air pump up to the inlet, and he's pumping away. Look at him go. Man, he's pumping. This is a good exercise. There he is. This is a spaceship, and he's pumping it up. You can see it is going up here. There it is. The air is coming up. Do you see it, Sice?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh boy, how's it look? Tell us what you're looking at.
I'm looking at this.
Is it spaceship? Is it going up or down?
Up.
All right, there you go. Yeah, is that hard work?
No.
No. All right. Is it fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. Keep on pumping. All right, there you are. It's pumping away. Keep on doing it. Wow, as you can see, Sice is pumping really hard and fast. And this thing is airing up the spaceship. All right, keep on pumping. Keep on pumping. Let us see.
Oh my God, it's going up.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
There you are. Keep on pumping. Let us see it. Keep on pumping. And what's the end result gonna look like?
It's gonna look like a jet.
Like a jet,
These
huh?
things are going up.
Alrighty. And the end results, huh? We're gonna see what it looks like. Once it's done, we'll see if it's gonna look like
That.
If it's gonna look like, here we go. Ta-da! See if it's gonna look like that. There it is. And there's one of them there.
Oh no, we can't.
And there's the other one. Keep on pumping.
Put it down.
Yep, that's okay. Keep on pumping. It should look like this here once it's done. Yep. And there it is. So we'll see what it looks like here. And then he's still pumping away. Wow.
It's going up.
All right, it's going up. You are sure pumping hard. Look at that. Is that a good exercise?
Yes.
Good boy. There you are.
It's going up.
All right. Keep on doing it. And there it is. And we got part of it. That's the body of the spaceship or the airplane here. And looks like what we got there. And he's pumping and pumping and pumping.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, it's going up.
All right, keep on pumping. We'll see what's happening. Wow, that thing is nice and firm. And there's a handle to grab onto.
Oh, and if you see my last video of me sharking, we did the shark on the video, and then you didn't see that, guys, but that was my first one.
Okay, yes. He also has another one that looks like a shark or a whale, I'm thinking. I do not know yet, but it might be a shark. A watercraft shark.
Done now.
Okay. Well, let's see here. So there he is. He's pumping it.
Oh, no.
All right.
Oh,
Okay, let's pump up the... Okay, we're closing this up here.
no. And then let's do the wings now.
All right, there he
We're
is.
gonna do the wings.
He found the nozzle. He's putting the pump in. He's going to pump up the wing.
Oh, no.
Okay.
Oh, no.
Look like the hose came off. And what are you doing, Sice? Tell us.
We're putting on,
Yeah, he's connecting it back on.
and then we're gonna...
Yep, he's connecting it back on there. And there he is. Are you having fun, Sice?
Yes.
All right, let's see it. And there he is, pumping away on the right wing. Say the right wing.
Right wing.
There he is. And this is the wing. Yes, there he is. He's airing up the wing. Pump, pump, pump. Keep on pumping. And there he is, pumping up the wing. All right, let's see how nice and firm it is. All right, that's good. Now let's do the other side.
We are done.
All right, so I'm capping it off here like that.
And there we go. We have another wing.
All right, let's do the other side.
One more to go. And then we are done.
One more to go, he said, and he's done. Okay, we'll see here. And here he comes to this side. This is the left wing.
Left wing.
Okay.
It's gonna go up just like the other one.
Tell us what you're doing there. Is he putting in the nozzle?
Putting in the nozzle.
And now he's pumping it up. Okay, pump. There he is, pumping, pumping, pumping. And he's pumping it up. The other wing. And there it is. It's almost done, everybody. Let's see what we got here. Wow, it looks like a spaceship or an airplane already. Are you pumping?
There we go.
Okay. So look, there we are. We disconnect that and plug the plug back in on this thing. Underneath the wing.
And there we go.
All right.
Spaceship of truth.
The spaceship looks like. Now demonstrate. Sit on there and hold that black handle. Show us what it looks like. And that's what it's gonna look like when he's in the water. Wow. And what is that? That is the water gun that comes with that. All right. Say. All right, Sice. Sit down right there. Let's see. All right.
Give Sice a thumbs up and subscribe to Sice's channel. And click below.